It's 2:50 on a Thursday. This is what I'm doing on my day off. Say hi. Hi. You went down? Okay. What's up? I'm Kara, also Urban Garbage, whichever one you prefer. I don't really care. I'm here to show you how to do makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. I am not a professional. I am just literally a girl in her house that likes to throw colors on her eyeballs. So that's where we are. If you want to see a video on how I did this, Alien inspired, Shigo inspired, I wanted to try some kind of green look because it matched my sunglasses inspired. Eye makeup, keep watching.
So I'm starting out by going in with my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette in the shade O Positive, and then using a dome-shaped brush, I'm lightly sweeping that across my crease for my transition shade. Next I'm going in with my Morphe M35 palette and I'm taking the shade Black Magic to smoke out the edges. Using a Anastasia Packer brush, I'm lightly pressing the product onto my outer corner. Now I'm going in with my super old Tartelette In Bloom palette. I'm taking the shade Smoke Show and using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to try and blend out some of those dark edges to make everything look seamless and less like a third grader with crayons got to your face. Going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and just a flat brush, I'm going to carefully cut out my crease. Then I'm going back in with my Morphe palette using the shade Stroke of Luck with a thick pencil-like brush. I don't really know what to call it. And I'm just going to be applying the green shade next to Black Magic. Using the shade Bold Moves, I'll be applying this color all over to my lids with a detailed brush that I sprayed with setting spray. And I got it all over my mouth. Great! Now taking this flat packer brush, I'm going in with the shade Stroke of Luck and I'm putting that underneath my eye. And with a tiny little pencil brush that I didn't get in frame because I suck, I'm just going into the same shade from the Tartelette palette that I used to blend out my outer corner. highlight the brow bone, I'll be using the shade Glucose from the Blood Sugar palette. Using a flat brush, I'm just going to put that right under my brows. And I'm just going back in with my concealer to sharpen up all the edges and make the shadow look a lot more cut. Today I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Normally I would do a wing, but today I decided to do just a thin line on my crease that I'll be putting my lashes on. Taking my NYX eye pencil in the shade Black, I'm just going to be lining my waterline. I'm going to be applying a light coat of mascara onto my top and bottom lashes using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm going to go apply my lashes and highlight off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look.
So this is the final look. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. If you hated it, if you guys want to see more videos, let me know. If you don't want to see more videos, let me know that too, I guess. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the future. I don't know. This was a weird experience. What am I doing with my life? Y'all, this is my literal, like, setup right now. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.